In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive using a free and powerful tool called RUFUS. Now, here is the best part. This method works for both supported and unsupported PCs, meaning you can install or reinstall Windows 11 even on older hardware that doesn't meet the official system requirements. So whether you are doing a clean install, upgrading your old PC or repairing your current Windows setup, stick around till the end because I'll walk you through everything clearly and you'll be ready to go in no time. First, open your browser of your choice and head over to the official RUFUS website. Don't worry about typing it out. I have placed the link in the description below. Once you're on the RUFUS page, scroll down until you see the download section. You will notice a few versions listed. The standard installer and the portable one. For most users, just grab the first option. It's lightweight and works perfectly on nearly all Windows systems. Go ahead, click to download it. Once it's finished, open the file. Double-click on the RUFUS application to launch it. You don't even need to install anything. RUFUS runs as a standalone application. Before moving forward, we will need a Windows 11 ISO file, basically the installer image for Windows 11. If you don't already have it, you can download it directly from Microsoft's official website. And I have placed the link in the description. Once you've got your ISO file ready, place it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or downloads folder. Next, plug in your USB flash drive. Make sure it's at least 8 GB in size. After plugging it in, RUFUS should automatically detect it under the device section. If it doesn't, just reinsert your USB and it will show up, or you can just click for a drop down and then select your available USB. Click the select button in the RUFUS and then browse for your Windows 11 ISO file. Click on open and you will see RUFUS populate all the necessary settings automatically. Now here is an important part, choosing the right partition scheme, that is between GPT and an MBR. GPT is what you should choose for modern PCs that use UEFI BIOS, basically any computer made after 2012. MBR on the other hand is for older systems still running on legacy BIOS or CSM mode. If you are unsure, head to the Windows search and then type System Information. Once it pops up, click on it to launch it. Under System Summary, look for BIOS mode from the right pane. If it says UEFI, choose GPT. And if it says Legacy, choose MBR. Since mine is UEFI, I'll leave it as it is, which is GPT. Everything else like file system and clutter size can stay on default. You can also give your USB a name, so it's easy to identify later. Once everything looks good, click Start. RUFUS will now give you a few customization options for your Windows 11 installation, and this is where it gets really cool. You will see several checkboxes that let you tweak or skip certain installation requirements. Let me explain what each one does. First is remove 4GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0. This bypasses Microsoft's hardware checks, allowing you to install Windows 11 even on unsupported CPUs or without TPM and secure boot. Definitely keep this checked. Next, we have remove the requirement for a Microsoft account. Also keep this checked if you prefer setting up Windows with a local account instead of signing in online. Again, we have create a local account with username. You can check this to automatically log in with a custom username after install. I'll leave it unchecked for now. We have set regional options. This copies your current language, keyboard and time zone settings to the new Windows 11 install. It saves time, so I usually leave this one checked. Next, we have disable data collection and privacy questions. This automatically skips Microsoft's privacy setup during installation. Definitely keep this one checked to streamline the process. And the last, we have disable BitLocker automatic encryption. I recommend checking this one too, unless you specifically need BitLocker enabled. Once you've chosen your options, click OK to confirm. Before RUFUS begins, it will warn you that all data on a USB drive will be deleted. So if you have any important files stored on that USB, make sure to back them up first. Once you are ready, hit OK. And RUFUS will start creating your bootable Windows 11 USB drive. You will see a progress bar at the bottom. Depending on your USB speed, this process can take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. Just sit back, relax and let RUFUS handle everything automatically. When the progress bar turns green and says ready, that means RUFUS has successfully created your Windows 11 bootable USB. You can now safely close RUFUS. Open this PC. and you will see your USB listed with the new label and all the necessary Windows installation files inside. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive, ready to install Windows 11 on any computer, whether it's supported or not. If your PC doesn't boot from the USB drive automatically, restart your computer and enter the boot menu, usually by pressing F12, F9 or Escape, depending on your motherboard. Then select your USB drive from the list and Windows Setup will launch automatically. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more quick and useful Windows tutorials like this one. I'll see you in the next video.